Shalom, shalom. Say, this is your brother, Masha'Allah, Alanawa. That's my full Hebrew name. Y'all know me as Mashada Menace. Welcome back to Bayatham Broadcast Services, BBS. I want to give all praise first and foremost to the Most High Yahweh, the Father of Yahweh Shai, pre and post incarnate intimate flesh, and the Father of Abraham, the Father of Isaac, and the Father of Jacob. I want to do something a little different, man. I've been wanting to do this for a minute, but I guess the Most High, didn't really put it in my heart to really disclose it, at the time. Many of us should know about cryptocurrency, you understand, and what it's all about, you understand. Cryptocurrency seemingly is gonna replace the legal tender notes or the paper dollars. I believe it was 1971 when former President Richard Nixon decided that he wanted to sever ties with gold backing up the dollar signs. Backing up the dollar bills, backing up the legal tender notes. You understand? So ever since then, you understand that the value of the dollar started to, dramatically descending, dramatically decreasing. You understand? So we're being introduced to maybe a new normal form of a currency called cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, the best way to explain it is definitely digital. You understand? It doesn't deal with anything necessarily concrete. There are cryptocurrency Bitcoin machines. Especially in the South, like my hometown New Orleans, in Atlanta and things like that. But the thing that how cryptocurrency, I'm still learning myself. You dig? How cryptocurrency works for what I study is that it also helps secure your transactions that you've made. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of like how should I put it? It's more clandestine, which is how you get the word crypto, because the word crypto, I believe, comes from the Greek word cryptic. And it means something that's concealed and something that's hidden. Like you got the apocrypha, because the word krypha, as an apocrypha, like what we Hebrew Israelites read, you understand, which was originally part of 1611 King James Bible, that part means hidden. You understand? So apocrypha deals with hidden books. So cryptocurrency deals with something that's concealed. Something that's more privatized, something that's clandestine. You understand? Kind of like going under the radar. But like I said, I'm still learning as I go. You heard me? I'm amplifying my portfolio. You understand? On Coinbase.com. I know many people complain about Coinbase because whenever you want to put money in, they charge a 99-cent fee. Where other apps like Binance maybe a little more convenient. I'm still learning about that. Shout out to Brother Ohim that he usually roll with Black Ram 313. He mentioned something about hot wallet or something like that, and cold storage. I believe it's cold storage. So like I said, I'm learning as I go, all praise to the Most High. I'm a quick learner. I'm also studying about how to be a creditor, because according to scriptures like Deuteronomy chapter 15, we should be creditors. It's incumbent upon us Hebrew Israelites to be creditors. A creditor is a person that's no longer in debt to anything. You understand? You're no longer in debt to the credit card company that you with, whether it's Capital One, Chase Bank, Wells Fargo, whatever the case may be. You are absolutely free from any form of debt, because debt is death. You understand? And money is debt too. You understand? Because the government, they don't control the money. They have to go toward the Treasury Department, which is like an entry point to the Federal Reserve. You understand? So they pay in bonds, and if the government approves of it, then they distribute the total amount of funds that the government requests. So it's a loan. You understand? It's a loan. You dig? And nobody can sue the Federal Reserve, man, because they control everything. They can create money, man, off thin air. You understand? So, and on top of that, I also learned from this brother from Alabama, named Josh. Shout out to him. I learned from him that the book of Deuteronomy chapter 23 also deals with being a creditor too. It also says that we are allowed to charge other races of people interest. I believe in the 19th verse of Deuteronomy 23. You understand? We are allowed to do that, but we are not allowed to charge our brethren, our brothers. You understand? Interest. You understand? Because it's illegal. We are allowed to charge interest or be exactors towards other races of people, other nations, but we can't do it towards our own. So the Bible definitely gives you, some straight up G code about, economics. You understand? So I'm studying about being a creditor and not a debtor. You understand? I got some in Robinhood stocks. Spirit Airlines is doing real good. Cleveland Cliff is doing real good. I actually got that as a free stock. You understand? So I got some aside on Robinhood, man. I got some aside. You heard me for Coinbase. You understand? And, I'm also got my own businesses aside. Buying electronics and retro games and being consuming it and then selling it. You dig? So the Most High is looking out for me. You heard me? Ain't much. You understand? But it is a promising start. Y'all be sure to hit that like button. You heard me? Hit that share button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Because BBS is more than, I've been doing alpha content lately, and I'm going to continue to do some alpha content, but I'm going to do more content like this year too, you heard me? So y'all be sure to hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button, you heard me? And until then, for the brothers, be a majestic transcendental alpha, not a pathetic detrimental beta. And for that, I'm going to say shalom, peace be unto you, shalom alaikum. I'm out here, you heard me? Peace.